How to cultivate olive trees for success for beginners. Olive or Olea europea is a plant derived from the Oliaceae tribe. Olives have short and large shrubs with a height of about 8 to 15 meters. The trunk is twisted and wrinkled. The leaves are a silver-green colored oval measuring about 4 to 10 centimeters with a width of about 1 up to 3 centimeters. The flowers are small bell-shaped bells with white color. The fruit is small in the form of drupe or fruit stone with a length of about 1 to 2.5 centimeters and seeds Sporidosperma. Scientific classification of olive trees. Kingdom, Platy. Division, Magoleophyta. Class, Magoleosida. Order, Lamiales. Family, Oliaceae. Genus, Olea. Species, O. europea. Subspecies. A. Olea europea subsp. Europea from the Mediterranean basin. B. Olea europea subsp. Cuspidata from South Africa to East Africa, Arabia to southwest China. C. Olea europea subsp. Huachica from Canaries. D. Olea europea subsp. Cericiformis from Madeira. E. Olea europea subsp. Marocca from Morocco. F. Olea europea subsp. Laperii from Algeria, Sudan, Niger. Olives are usually eaten raw or refreshed after preserved, while the old fruit is squeezed to produce oil which will then be extracted into olive oil that has many benefits. The benefits of olive oil such as can be slimming and beautify the body, can reduce the risk of heart disease, can prevent cancer, can maintain skin health and maintain the skin elasticity and many others. Areas in Indonesia that are potential to grow olive trees such as Malag, Daegu, Lembag which has a cold temperature and dry season that Ketig in a long time is very suitable for the growth of olive trees. Here's a complete guide on how to plant an olive tree cultivation for success for beginners. 1. Preparation of olive seeds. Seeds of olives can be obtained at a grocery store that sells plants or in a market that sells plant seeds. 2. Preparation of olive cultivation media. Prepare the planting media in the form of a mixture of soil, husk charcoal and manure with a ratio of 1:1 appeal 1. Combine the three media until evenly distributed. 3. How to plant olive trees. Prepare planting pots if you want to plant olives in pots and prepare the planting area if you want to plant in the garden. If you want to plant directly, though more land planting so that the nutrients in the soil is met. If you want to plant more than one olive tree, then spacing about 5 meters in a row and plant it with a north groove for the sun about all the olive trees. 4. Treatment of olive trees. Do watering on olive trees once a day, that is in the afternoon. Olive trees are very suitable to grow in the tropics because the olive tree is very resistant to the hot sun and unpredictable weather. After the age of 30 days, do the fertilization by using leaf or manure NPK fertilizer with a dose of 1 fist with fertilization done every 3 to 6 months. So we are discussing about how to plant a tree cultivation olive for success for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.